What is interior designing? Interior designers help in planning out the layout of an establishment, which can be a house, office, or any other commercial complex, in such a manner that the area at hand is utilized in the most productive manner. Functionality of the space is key to be successful interior designer. Interior design is all about how we experience spaces. It's a powerful, essential part of our daily lives and affects how we live, work, play, and even heal. Designers craft spaces that anticipate our needs and appeal to our emotions while pulling from a broad set of skills and technical knowledge. Interior design has changed dramatically since the early 20th century, when it was just beginning to emerge as a profession. Interior design is a multifaceted profession that includes conceptual development, space planning, site inspections, programming, and research, communicating with the stakeholders of a project, construction management, and execution of the design. On completion, one can work in architectural firm, interior design firm, product assembly manufacturing units. One can open a design firm or can work freelance, even from home or co-working office. Course highlights ED, studios, CAD softwares, graphics, construction, crafts and furniture, materials survey, estimation, thesis work, digital portfolio, green interiors, services, history, lab work, digital work and MSP work etc.